This video covers the Guidewire Manual Testing training. The course structure includes an introduction to PolicyCenter, PolicyCenter overview, policy file, account, and policy transactions with a duration of 30 days. Guidewire PolicyCenter is a flexible underwriting and policy administration system. It supports core policy lifecycle functions such as underwriting, quoting, binding, endorsements, cancellation, rewrite, and renewals. It is built on modern web technology. Guidewire products are accessed by underwriters, claim adjusters, customer service representatives, and billing clerks. External access includes third-party users, such as policyholders and vendors, and authorized users with special requirements. Guidewire insurance systems feature modern architecture, full legacy replacement, and are delivered as a true product that is flexible and upgradable. Key components include PolicyCenter, BillingCenter, and ClaimCenter. The course content covers quick quotes, full application quotes, renewals, policy changes, cancellations, and out-of-sequence transactions. It also includes merging accounts, documents, notes, and an introduction to the product model. Further course topics include coverage, coverage term, modifier, and question sets. Also covered are an introduction to PC config, PolicyCenter data model, job wizard, activities, contact and location, and underwriting authority configuration. Guidewire provides the industry platform that P&C insurers rely upon. Guidewire Insurance Suite includes PolicyCenter, BillingCenter, and ClaimCenter, built using Java. A new language, Gosu, is also utilized by the framework. Transaction topics cover account creation, policy new submission, forms and payments, risk analysis, and policy review. It also includes full quote bind and issue, policy change, cancellation, renewal, and other policy-related transactions. No coding or other specific skills are required as a prerequisite for Guidewire functional testing. Everything is taught from scratch. Only attention and interest to learn the technology and testing methods are needed. Guidewire Software is a leading global provider of technology solutions to property and casualty insurers. It delivers proven software for core insurance operations, including Guidewire ClaimCenter, PolicyCenter, and BillingCenter. This concludes the course content overview.